Today I'm also talking about TCOIL heat exchangers, our famous heat exchangers typically used for immersion. Another interesting application that can be done with the TCOIL heat exchangers is the contact application. That is an application outside tanks, outside electric batteries, outside chemical machines. Let's talk about mixers, reactors, equipment of this kind. One of the main characteristics of TCOIL heat exchangers, I have said it many times, is the ability to be adapted in terms of shape to what is desired. As a result, it is also easy to calendar them to make them cylindrical to fit a cylindrical body, such as a mixer, a preparer, a reactor, a horizontally thermostated tank, or simply have flat panels to apply to the body that needs to be cooled, heated, essentially thermostated. To increase the efficiency of TCOIL heat exchangers in the case of using contact heat exchangers, the trick is to have the surface in contact with the tank with the cooling and heating machine flat. As we've always discussed swollen exchangers, and in photos you see these exchangers with pits, it makes you wonder how to achieve a flat surface. Different thickness sheets are used. The sheet that comes into contact with the heating and cooling surface will have a greater thickness, while the one on the outside will have a smaller thickness. When we inflate them, obviously only the thinner part will inflate, while the thicker part, which will be in contact with what we need to thermoform, will stay flat. To further increase the exchange coefficients, we will use a conductive paste that is spread on the heat exchanger before applying it directly to the machine that we need to thermostat. This thing is generating interest, for example, for the cooling of electric batteries, electric machines, and electronics that require maintaining the temperature at very low levels and where it is not possible to allow water to flow directly for obvious reasons. Interesting, isn't it? Good day. Thank you.